Stanza 5th. Subject English 1. Semester 2. Chapter 4. The Sailor. Chapter 4. Pooh the Sailor. The Sailor is poem, student. Okay. Now let's start with the material work, objectives and question answers. Pick the correct answers. What happened when the author meets Pooh for the first time? A. He cried most of the night. The second time the author meets Pooh was when his mother took him to live in Taiwan for a year. It was difficult for Pooh to prepare the author's medicines because it was a long process that had to be repeated every morning. When the author tried to hug Pooh at the airport, she told him to be careful as she was carrying his favorite pastry. I could write a whole book about Pooh, means the author would write a lot about Pooh. Complete the table to sum up the story. Now here see, when the author meets Pooh, where they meet, what Pooh did for the author. ये दो कॉलम्स हमें फिल करना है, बट फिर हमें इसके बेसिस पे फिल करना है. ओके. 2.5 months old, 2 years old, short visits. Who comes to visit the author? Let's see the answer. 2.5 months old, Taipei, Taiwan. कहाँ मिले थे? Taipei, Taiwan. Who carried the author in her arms throughout the night and finally put him to bed? 2 years old, Taipei, Taiwan. Who used to get up at 4 a.m., prepare the medicines and feed it to author. She did it for 8 months until he got better. Short visits. Taipei, Taiwan. Who would give them many food items, toys and clothes? Who comes to visit the author? San Francisco, USA. Who had carried 30 pound Chinese pastry halfway around the world so that it would stay fresh and look nice and not get squeezed or smashed? Complete these sentences about the story. When the author first meets Pooh, his mom was dead. When the author first meets Pooh, his mom was too exhausted to calm him down. The author lived with Pooh for 1 year in Taipei, Taiwan. The author's mother often visit Taiwan on teaching assignments. Mom and Pooh were worried about the author because the author had a severe nose bleeding problem. Who helped the author by preparing and making him drink the medicines until he was cured? Who came to America hand carrying a 30-pound Chinese pastry? Who was actually the author's grandmother? Answer this reference to the context. First one. We will see each other again sooner than you think. Who said this words and to whom? Why did the speaker say this word? Find a line in the story that tells us how the speaker was feeling when she or he said this word. Now let's see the answer. A. Who said this to the author? B. The author was going back to the United States of America and was sad. Who said this to cheer him up? C. However, I detected some shakiness in Pooh's voice and tears in Pooh's eyes. Add able, full or leave to the words in capitals and make new words. You may have to make some changes in the spellings. Put a cross where words cannot be made. Now see, there are 3 columns given, student. Able, full, leave. Powered, powerful. Predict, predictable. Happy, happily. अब जो वर्ड नहीं बनते ना उसको हमें क्रॉस कर देना है. ओके. फोर्स, फोर्सफुली. दोनों वर्ड्स आ रहे हैं इसमें. फ्री, फ्रीली. बिलीव, बिलीवेबल. ड्रीम, ड्रीमीली. ट्रूथ, ट्रूथफुल. एक्सेप्ट, एक्सेप्टेबल. Now let's see the answer. सी, जहाँ पर नहीं होता है उसको हमें क्रॉस करना है उस कॉलम में. ओके. Now पावरफुल, सॉरी पावर, पावरफुल. तो एबल और एलवाई में हमें क्रॉस करना है. प्रिडिक्ट, प्रिडिक्टेबल. तो हियर हम क्रॉस कर रहे हैं. हैप्पी, क्रॉस क्रॉस, हैप्पीली. फोर्स, क्रॉस, फोर्सफुल, क्रॉस. फ्री, फ्रीली. बिलीव, बिलीवेबल. ड्रीम, dreamily. Truth, truthful. Accept, acceptable. Use the clues to make words that end with the given letters. The part of the body that control memory. Brain, brain. The small heart seed of food plants dash rain, grain. The part of a day when it is dark outside. Night, night. Something which is not loose. Tight. Got something by paying money for it. Ought. What. Found doing something wrong. Ought. Caught. You should not keep birds in this dash age, cage. Money paid to people for the work they do, age, wage. Match column A and B to make commonly used phrases. You can use the words more than once. A column, B column. Let's see A column options, students. Give, come, go, fall, clear, unheard, forget, flow, sell. B. Up, ahead, away, about, off, down, off, over, out, for. Answer. See here. मैच किया है. गिव का अब भी हो सकता है गिव अप. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, कम अप, कम अवे, कम डाउन, कम ऑफ, गो अहेड, गो अवे, गो ऑफ, गो आउट, फॉल अवे, फॉल ऑफ, फॉल ओवर, clear up, clear away, forget. About. Blow up, blow off, blow over, sell up, sell off, sell out. Read the words aloud. Circle the letter where the letters CH make the K sound. ना हमें उस लेटर को सर्कल करना है स्टूडेंट जिसका स्टार्टिंग लेटर जो टी है और सी एच है, बट उसको जब आप प्रोनाउंस करते हो तो उसका प्रोनाउंसिएशन का साउंड क्या होता है, के का साउंड होता है। टेक्नोलॉजी, कोरस, क्लैप, चीप, चेयर, मैकेनिक, केस, केमिस्ट्री, सी के का साउंड है। इको, एंकर, चिट्टा, चार्ट, चैट, चैप्टर। Now let's see the answer. Technology, chorus, mechanic, orchestra, anchor. लास्ट का या फर्स्ट साउंड के का साउंड होता है, ओके। एको, केमिस्ट्री। Tick the correct answers in the bracket. Sushi's house stood in on by the hill overlooking the lake. On. Jitendra's parents had gone dash the market dash shopping. To for. Hina packed her lunch and set out dash school. For. A villager stole Sarovar dash it was long way dash the next town. 2. Rooney heard a sound and saw the goat dash her. Besides, I go dash tennis practice early dash the morning. Put a slash where a preposition is missing and then read the sentence aloud with the correct preposition. Who took great care me? Who took great care of me? My mother always goes a walk after dinner. My mother always goes for a walk after dinner. Student, ये जो बोल्ड लेटर्स में ना डार्क लेटर्स में वो आंसर है, ओके। There is too much salt the buttermilk. There is too much salt in the buttermilk. The goldfish was swimming the bowl. The goldfish was swimming in around the pool. Place the photo frame on the right side the telephone. Place the photo frame on the right side of the telephone. The angry man shouted, "Get out here!" The angry man shouted, "Get out of here!" Payal jumped her bicycle and rode away. Payal jumped onto her bicycle and rode away. The door was opened my cousin Ritu. The door was opened by my cousin Ritu. Rekha celebrated her birthday her friends. Rekha celebrated her birthday with her friends. The teacher said that would be a science test Monday. The teacher said that there would be a science test on Monday. Fill in the blanks with words and phrases from the poem. The boat of the boatman dash is lying idle in the hock of dash. The boat of the boatman Madhu is lying idle in the hock of the Rajgund. He wants to dash the dash seas and 30. He wants to sail the 70 seas and 30 rivers of fairy land. He will dash his boat with things he dash. He will fill his boat with things he likes. The poet will take dash with him. The poet will take his friend Ashu with him. They will set sail early in the dash and by noon will be in dash. They will set sail early in the morning and by noon will be in the land of strange king. They will leave behind the dash. They will leave behind the desert of Lepantar. The poet will return home before dash and will tell his mother dash. The poet will return home before dark and will tell his mother about all that they saw. Fill in the blanks with the correct words from the bracket. We are going to have ice cream for dash, desert. The miners were digging for iron, dash, ore. I have never dashed such a messy room, Mom exclaimed, seen. The Titanic was one of the biggest ships to set dash on the high sea, sail. When the dash receded, the beach was full of seashells, tide. I forgot to ask Reena what she would like me to dash from the market. Buy. Animals like humans protect and care for dash, young ones, deer. Like a lion attacking its dash, the kitten pouch on its toy, prey. Answer these questions. Where was the boat? What cargo was it carrying? The boat was moored at the Hof of Rajganj. It was carrying jute. What changes would the speaker make to the boat? The speaker would man her with 100 oars and post several sails. Where would the speaker not take the boat? The speaker would not take the boat to stupid market. Why did the speaker ask his mother not to worry and cry for him? The speaker was not going into the forest like Ramachandra went for 14 years, but will return before it got dark. So he asked his mother not to worry and cry for him. What would the speaker do on returning home? Once the speaker returns home, he would tell his mother about all that they have seen. Read and understand, talk about it. Read section 1 with your partner and discuss the answers to this question. See now, how old was the author when he first meets who? What does the author mean by I made quite an impression? Do you know if the author is a boy or a girl? How? A. First one. The author was 2.5 months old when he first meets who? The author meant that he had created quite a scene. This was because he cried loudly the whole night and Pooh had to rock him to and fro throughout the night. The author is a boy because he refers to himself as the brand new baby boy in the first paragraph of the story. B. Read section 2 by yourself. Work in groups of 4. Discuss these questions. Share your ideas with the class. First one. Why did the speaker say that he was beyond reasoning? What was the effect of the treatment on the speaker? Who? What were the feelings which the speaker could not hide? Why was Pooh's voice shaky? B. First. We cannot reason with a 2-year-old because at that age a child cannot understand logic and reason. Hence the speaker said he was beyond reasoning. Second, A. After 8 months of the treatment, the speaker was completely cured. B. Who, on the other hand, had lost nearly 20 pounds, which means that taking care of Abby during his sickness had taken a toll on her health. Third, each time the speaker's visit to Pooh would end, he would be able to hide his feeling of sadness. Fourth, Pooh's voice was shaky because she too was sad as the speaker was going away. However, she was trying to hide her feelings and trying to be cheerful for the speaker's sake. CW 1 times, HW 2 times in your notebook. Thank you.